Alright guys, what is this? So I was outside riding my bike, scooters, and I see a helicopter fly over my house, and now it's hovering over my block, and you could probably hear it. And then a black one went by, and I have no clue what it was. Let me try and get him. I can go down there. It's really creepy, guys. It's like it's like they're trying to watch me or something. It feels like they're trying to watch me. See that? It's hard to see. I'll show you the ride down the block. Look, you can hear it. Oh my god, oh my god. There's the other black helicopter I was talking about, right there. And then the other one's behind those branches. Okay. I have to go back to my house. This is really weird. That freaking black helicopter is right there, guys. And, oh my god. Okay, that one was circling when I'm not recording, so I'm going back. This is really weird. They're both just hovering there. It's just weird. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the freak? What the freak? That one's circling around right freaking there. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? What is happening right now? What is this? That one's just like gliding around the freaking... I can see stuff flying out. Guys, you can see both of them on the screen right now. That one's circling. Alright, this is creepy. Oh my gosh. Like every day, helicopters go by, and they never have done this. What the hell? Look, they're both just... Oh my gosh, look. There's one, right? And there's one right there. What the freak is this? Okay guys, I'm really officially freaked out right now.